Okay, fine. Sorry, I'm on hold with the call center. Somehow I got booked at Disneyland and I'm at Disney World.
Wait, you booked me at Disney World? I'm at Disneyland this week. Oh, there's gotta be a better way.
This scenario is pretty unbelievable, right? But something as impossible as this actually happened to my family on our first cruise. Unfortunately, we found out like a month before our cruise that our travel advisor didn't actually book it. Crazy, right? And that experience set me on this path to try and figure out how to make travel more rewarding for both travel advisors and their guests.
The way that travelers have found their travel advisors has changed drastically over the years.
Today, a mom in Iowa sits on the couch scrolling through TikTok, finds her favorite theme park influencer, and asks her to help plan their family trip. Or a dad is bored at work but sees a hilarious reel and decides he wants to take his spouse away for a weekend trip.
You're gonna hear me say this a lot in this video, but vacations are emotional, and I'm not talking about the way that kiddos and, to be honest, adults get after a long day at the kingdom. Vacations are emotional because every day thousands of people turn to trusted travel experts just like you when they need help figuring out how best to invest their vacation dollars. And while our travel partners are innovating at a very rapid pace, a lot of the companies that should have your back are kind of stuck in the past.
It feels like our industry, and specifically travel agencies, are at an inflection point. Most of the old guard is still operating as if it's 1996, with static websites that are rarely updated. And to be honest, a lot of travel companies are still unsure of how to handle AI.
Famvia has approached the travel industry with a fresh take on what it means to be a travel company for its travel advisors and their guests. And by the way, we know a thing or two about AI.
Look, if we're being honest, there's a lot of companies out there with MLM-style fees and annual dues that cost you hundreds of dollars a month or a year just to work for a company.
Ooh, yeah. Famvia Travel doesn't do that. Plus, they have a great commission split.
And then there's outdated technology that wastes your time with 3 million screens that you have to click through just to make a booking.
Famvia is a host agency built on top of a tech company, so we know modern platform design better than anyone.
And if you've ever felt lost thanks to minimal support and training, that leaves you with this mindset.
I have no idea what I'm doing, but I know I'm doing it really, really well.
It definitely doesn't have to be that way. The community here is amazing. We use Slack and we talk all the time about life, and we support each other as we build our travel businesses.
At Famvia Travel, we're building a family of travel brands.
That's right, it's a family.
Not just of the brands that we create or acquire, but of the thousands of small businesses that we empower through our vertically aligned travel company.
What the heck does that even mean?
It just means that we build all of our own tech and we give it to our advisors for free.
All without charging any monthly fees, annual dues, or quarterly subscriptions.
Famvia has invested tons of resources into helping you grow like an advisor academy with dozens of hours of full courses produced by our internal team.
And we built a travel dashboard for our guests to make their planning, quote request, and most importantly, their repeat bookings with us 1,000,000 times easier.
Famvia has also created over 1,000 guides and reviews, all written by actual humans, which translates to the largest proprietary collection of leisure travel content anywhere on the internet.
And of course, all of this is powered by Source, our platform, which works behind the scenes to connect all the dots between travelers and their human travel advisors.
Wait, did he just say human travel advisors?
Pretty sure he did.
Remember when I said earlier that vacations are emotional? Is a traveler really gonna call 1-800-AI chatbot to solve their flight delay and then them missing a cruise embarkation?
Nope.
Exactly. My vision for the future of leisure travel is where AI is additive to the process. AI will never fully replace human travel experts like you.
We make AI additive by leveraging a ton of proprietary data to build everything we've talked about here, including our AI assistant that saves you hours per booking as a travel advisor. Because when you look through the chaos of travel, real people just want their travel expert to wisely invest their vacation dollars, plan something amazing, and be there with them through the lows and the highs of every trip.
So where does that leave you?
If you've been doing this a while and just crave community, or just want to be surrounded by people that aren't competitive, but instead are supporting one another, we have a spot for you on our team.
And if you're just starting out on your travel advisor journey, let's talk.
If you're ready to take your travel advisor business to the next level with dozens of travel partners, progressive commissions, and so much more, then you can reach out to us directly right now at VacationLab.io.